Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to see your Instagram password when you forgot it. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings and search for Google. Here it is. Press on this. Now go to your Gmail address. Press on Manage your Google account. Now go to Security and search for Password Manager. Here it is. Now click on it. If you forget your Instagram password and you want to see this, then press on this instagram.com. Then use your pattern. Here is your password. So this is how to see your Instagram password if you forgot it. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.